Hey guys, Rachel CPR here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I hope this video is reaching you while you are healthy, safe, and happy. And I'm sure that everyone has been going through a tough time, whether they are returning to work or if you are still under a stay-in-place order. I hope that you are still keeping up with yourself mentally and staying happy and healthy. Today I wanted to share with you some of the things that I have been using in my hair during this time because I ran low on products. Literally, I have a subscription for hair products. With the last two boxes that I received, I was not really able to use them because the products had silicone in them. As far as stylers and everything like that, I really started running low. And so what I did was I decided I would just go back to quite a few years ago where I was making most of the products that I was putting in my hair other than my deep conditioner, which my conditioner in general. So that conditioner has now been replaced with the Pattern Beauty as my staple conditioner because it makes my hair feel fabulous. In the past, my go-to natural gel was my beloved flaxseed gel that I developed an allergy to. It is not that the product is not good. I know I get a lot of messages about that, and I'm perfectly okay with you asking me about my hair as far as something working or not working, because of course you want to know if you've started doing something or if you tried something, whether or not it stopped working. But my flaxseed gel was my favorite gel, is my favorite gel that I've ever used in my hair, but I developed an allergy to it. I cannot even come in contact with the seeds at this point, which made me have to switch over to new products. I've gone back to making my own hair gel, and the hair gel that I'm making is now my Okra gel. And I do have a video that I will leave a link to below on the Okra gel that I make for my hair. This gel that I'm using as of right now is just broken down to the bare skeleton. It is just okra and water. There's nothing else, and oil, sorry, and oil. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go through my entire wash routine, not demonstrating it because my routine has not changed at all. So it'll be super boring just to watch me do the very same thing that I have been doing. But I'm going to show you all of the things that I have been using to keep my hair healthy and growing a lot. I cut my hair not too long ago, and I feel like it has had a surge of growth. And I know that when I was using my flaxseed gel and all of my natural hair products, my hair would grow like this. And so I'm really, really loving the effects of this. And I'm going to try and find the person who told me that I should go back to using my natural products, because I'm telling you, that's what was ringing in my ears when I was going to make these. I was like, yeah, she was telling me that my hair looked better then. And I went to my videos previously, and yes, my hair just looked overall healthier because, of course, there is not so many bad things in your natural products because you're making them on demand. So again, I'm going to go through step by step the things that I use, and I am going to start off with my cleanser. So my shampoo is my Bentonite Clay. This is a packet of Bentonite Clay that I buy. I buy it by the pound in the natural food store near me. Yes, this is the perfect shampoo. It is like the Dirty Clean. I think there is a shampoo called Dirty Clean where they use the clays to clean your hair. It's wonderful on your scalp. It's very gentle on your hair. And if you need a really deep treatment, you can add a little bit of the apple cider vinegar to this and really scrub your scalp. I have been using this sparingly because, again, I am in a stay-in-place state where we have not been really released to just go out randomly for things that are not necessary. And so I have been using this, and I'm so happy about I'm just so happy that I had this experience. Not that I'm happy that I can't go out, but I'm happy that I got a chance to use this more sparingly because I was really wasting this product. Because all I need, if this right here is really watery and you just see the color and you feel a little bit of the texture, that's really all that you need. And so maybe a teaspoon to about 2 cups of water, or not 2 cups, a cup and a half of water is all that I need in order for me to clean my hair, where my hair is actually clean and not semi-clean. And so I'm really, really excited about that because this bag has lasted me a really long time because of it. The next thing that I use in my hair is a conditioner. My conditioner that I have been using in my hair is a banana. Yes, I have been using bananas in my hair for my conditioner. And this is something I discovered when I was doing water-only washing. And if you want to see some videos on water-only washing, I'm going to link you to 2 videos. Dee does videos. She's been doing videos for a very long time. She's been following the water-only washing routine for a very long time. And I know with my daughter, when she was doing it exclusively, I was having a problem of her producing too much oil in her hair, and she was the one who helped me to get her hair back on track, because it was just, her hair was just so very coated. And so she was the one who helped me. I contacted her and she was able to help me. So she's really, really good for that. So the banana is something I discovered when I was doing water only washing, because this is something that definitely hydrates your hair, but it does not strip your hair of its natural protection or its natural oils. And this one right here is not one. I brought this one down here to share with you the conditioner, but this is the one that I will be using for my next conditioning treatment. You see the difference? This one is still great. This will give you a great conditioner, but this one, with the way that it is so very ripe, this one is going to give you a conditioning treatment that is just going to blow you away. I'm going to tell you very, very clearly though, double strain your banana. If you do not double strain your banana, when you have to mix it up, you put it in the blender or you just mash it up. The blender is the best. You have to double strain it, or else you'll be picking banana pieces out of your hair for a very long time. So double strain your banana. If you don't listen to me, I'm telling you, you are going to be so sad because the banana pieces will just be stuck in your hair. But again, this banana, I blend it up with water. I don't put anything else in it. Just blend it up with water, and I put it into my hair. And I wish I didn't feel so sensitive about leaving this product in my hair, because it's actually the most defining product that I put in my hair for this entire routine. This defines my hair more than anything else. What I normally do is I will take any bananas that I have that end up like this. My children will not eat them. This right here, I would eat no problem. I like bananas when they're really ripe. What I do is I take them all, I blend them up, and I put them with water, double strain them, and I separate them into containers, and I put them in the freezer so that I can have them whenever I need them. Right now, I think I have about 4 more containers in my freezer. My friend Shell gave me some little containers that I absolutely love, and I just put them in there, put them in the freezer, and whenever I need them, I just pull out my conditioner and I just put it in my hair. The next thing that I do is I use another DIY product, and that is my DIY cocoa butter. And this is my mixture, and this is just shea butter. I'm sorry, not shea butter. It is cocoa butter that I had to melt down because the pieces and the chunks, I couldn't get all of them out. So I melted them down a little bit, and I added castor oil, and I added some grapeseed oil, and I whipped it for about 25 minutes with my electric mixer because I didn't want this to get hard again. And so in order to prevent the cocoa butter from re-hardening, I had to put in other oils to keep it soft. So right now, even though it is stiff, it's more stiff than it was when I whipped it up. When I whipped it up, it was nice and airy, but by the time that it settles, it's definitely more stiff, but it is not something that I have to remelt every single time I use it. And so I really like it. And so I just use a little bit of that on my hair after I rinse out my banana very, very well. Again, I wish I had the courage to leave the banana in my hair, but it just smells so sweet. I'm afraid that a bug will come looking for a sweet treat. So, and it's sad because all of these products are food grade, but that one just smells so intense. I'm just so nervous about that. After I use my cocoa butter cream, my gel of choice right now is my okra gel. Now this is the okra gel. I have a video for it, like I mentioned before, on my channel, but this gel right here does not have the xanthan gum in it. This is okra boiled in water with grapeseed oil in it, and that's it. There's nothing else in this. There's no scent, nothing added to it. By the time I use this product in my hair has the smell of the cocoa butter, and so I'm completely content with that smell. And when you leave this in the refrigerator for a day and a half, by a day and a half, I'll say, it does not have a smell at all. And so my hair ends up smelling just like my cocoa butter cream, which smells really good to me. So this is what I'm using. When I started off with this bottle, when I did my last wash and go, which was 5 days ago, this was filled. So this is the amount of product that I used in my hair. And you see that the top is smaller than the bottom. So when I do my next application, it probably won't go that far down. So I have to freeze this in between because the okra gel's shelf life in the refrigerator is about 5 days. And so I have to freeze it in between. I wouldn't freeze it in this bottle because I don't want to damage my pump. But this right here it's just perfect. And I just put it on and I just go through my hair in the shower, and it's a complete mess. But I just go through my hair with it in the shower, and I take, of course, I use the bowl method. Even like with the banana, I still use the bowl method and really squish it into my hair, which has been working out really well. And then I do not use the water with the conditioner from the banana. What I do is I get a fresh cup of water, and I just very lightly squish my hands from the bowl to my hair, just like this, so that I can evenly distribute this. And because this is so watery, I can like squirt it on and just like really lather it in there. With this right here, it's okay for me to do that without worrying about flaking, because this cream right here definitely prevents any flaking. So those are all of the things that I have been using in my hair during this time where I ran out of products, and I'm really happy that I was able to revisit these natural products because my hair is really liking it. My skin is liking it. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed these products that I shared with you. If you have any natural products that you use for your skin, I would love for you to leave them below so that we can all get a little something else from this video. Thanks again for watching, guys. I will see you soon. Please stay safe and continue to wash your hands, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye, guys.